As we approach 2025, the electric vehicle market is set to experience its most transformative year yet. With cutting-edge technology, faster charging capabilities, and longer driving ranges, electric cars are becoming the mainstay of the automotive industry. In this video, we'll explore the top electric cars of 2025, what innovations are driving the industry, and why the future of driving is electric. Tesla's Cybertruck is one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of 2025. Known for its futuristic design, rugged off-road capabilities, and insane performance, it's changing the game for electric trucks. Power, up to 800 horsepower in the tri-motor version. Range, 500+ miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 2.9 seconds for the tri-motor version. Towing capacity, 14,000 pounds. Tech features include bulletproof exoskeleton, armor glass, autopilot, and full self-driving capabilities. Tesla's Cybertruck is not just an electric truck, it's a new kind of vehicle altogether, blending extreme durability with high-tech features. The Mercedes-Benz EQB is an all-electric compact SUV that combines luxury with practicality, offering features that are perfect for both urban commutes and long drives. Power, 288 horsepower. Range, 260 miles. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 6.0 seconds. Charging, 80% in 35 minutes with fast charging. Interior features high-end luxury materials, Mercedes M-Bucks infotainment system, and space for 7 passengers. The Mercedes-Benz EQB provides luxury, comfort, and performance, making it a perfect all-around electric SUV. The Nissan Ariya has quickly become a top contender in the electric SUV market. With its modern design and robust performance, it's a fantastic choice for those looking to transition into electric driving.